The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have been leaked again. Last time we saw the picture of the actual working phone, but now we have the hands-on video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The latest leak came from prolific lister Ice Universe, who has posted an alleged hands-on video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra on Twitter. The clip is just a few seconds long, but it's enough to show what looks like a pretty flat display with a sharp corner. If there are any curves here, they are minimal and highly reduced compared to previous Ultra model. It looks like Samsung has removed the curved edges entirely from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's not unexpected that Samsung is choosing a flat screen for this year's S24 Ultra because the previous model of the S23 Ultra had already started this change by having less curved edges. In the leaked video, the S24 Ultra is shown with a completely flat screen similar to other phones in this series. Additionally, the edges around the screen seems thinner and the small hole for the front camera appears to be smaller than before. What's your opinion on the new flat design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, if we talk about the leaked photos of the S24 Ultra, the picture shows the phone in a gray color and confirms all the previous rumors. Images shared by Warlick David on X reveals the S24 Ultra from the front and the back. It also looks similar to S23 Ultra but has a flat screen instead of the curved ones, making it look sleeker and more durable. This also means you don't need an expensive screen protector. The back looks almost the same with the matte finish, giving it a luxurious feel. The phone will have a lighter titanium which might also be stronger. The design haven't changed much overall, but many people will probably like it. I think the phone design and the feel are good and others might agree with it. Ice Universe also shared some more news about the upcoming S24 phone. Back in August, this leaker accurately predicted that all three models in the S24 series would have LTPO screen. In a new tweet, Ice Universe said that the speed at which the S24 series screen responds to touch has been improved by 10%. This means that when you touch the screen, will react more smoothly and quickly. It's important to note that this touch response speed is different from how often the screen refreshes its images. The touch sampling rate is a frequency at which a screen detects touches input like from finger, a stylus or any other touch tool. For the Galaxy S23 series, this rate is 240 Hz, meaning the screen checks for input 240 times every second. With the S24 series having an even high touch sampling rate, this will enable the gaming experience, making it more responsive and smoother. It also means that the screen will react more accurately and quickly to user touches. In general, after a big leak that shared a lot of detail about the phone to be released in Galaxy S24 series is amazing. We have now got a glimpse of all the official cases Samsung plans to offer for this new year flagship series. This image was leaked on Twitter by leaker known as EvenLeaks. Alright, it seems that not every case for the S24 series was shown in the leaked image. Most of the cases visible are simple silicone and leather ones in various attractive colors. For the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus and S24 Ultra, Samsung has started a reservation program for fans interested in the upcoming S24 series. This program is available in countries where the Galaxy S24 will be open for pre-order starting with January 17. Customers who will sign up for earlier to show their interest in the Galaxy S24 will be eligible for a discount of $50 on this new flagship model. Additionally, they might also reserve other prices. This is a way Samsung encourages early interest and booking for their new smartphone series. Now, as usual, let's get into all the other details of the S24 series, including its feature, design, and price to help you decide which one is right for you. If you are a regular viewer, you might already know all the drills, so feel free to skip the next video. But if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to stay informed about the upcoming content. Now let's get started. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, boosting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will be making use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panel shared by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the US and South Korea, it will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variant will run on Exynos 2400. The device offers 8GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 or 256GB using a UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4000 mAh battery and supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based Android 14. The phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, it showcased an upgraded QHD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung Advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you will find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel of ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel of telephoto lens. In the US, South Korea, it's equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12GB of RAM and a storage choice of 256 or 512GB, utilizing a UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4900 mAh battery and supporting a 45-watt fast charging connectivity option, including 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3 and a Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. The expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the line, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3880 by 1440p resolution. It incorporates Samsung Advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass armor. For capturing stunning selfies, there is a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all the regions, separating it from S24 and S24 Plus, which sticks with the Exynos in some regions. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12GB of RAM with a storage choice of 256, 512 and a 1TB storage, which supports UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5000 mAh battery, supporting a 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. This premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 introduced a fresh design with enhanced durability and significantly brighter display with upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features. The inclusion of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvement across the entire lineup suggests that these phones are poised to success, while the similarities of the predecessor might not encourage S23 Ultra owners to rush and upgrade. The S24 series is an excellent choice for those with an older S phones or those considering their first S phone device. And as we approach the launch, more details will likely surface and I will continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upgrade in the future. Share your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Peace.